Left Walmart, I got me a 10-pound tube of beef and a bunch of other ingredients. I spent $130 to make this chili. Check it out. All right, so I'm gonna walk right through this with you guys in full detail. These were London broils, like 2.5 pounds each. Dice it up into little cubes with one big yellow onion, about half a jar of Dano's hot chipotle. This is a little taco blend that I'm making. Yes, Doritos, the Mandarin flavor. One whole thing, 32-ounce container of beef stock, 2 things of green chilies, 1 container of enchilada sauce, 1 container of Hunt's crushed red tomatoes, and then 1 container of chipotle pepper and adobo sauce. Mix that all up, and we're going to cover it up, and we're going to bring it to a power boil. In our other pot, take the 10 pounds of ground beef, throw it in there with your seasonings, the Dano's hot chipotle and my taco seasoning. Now we're going to add the enchilada sauce, and then we're going to use about half a container of beef stock, because what you got to do right here is really important. You basically want to turn this into a paste. Get all those chunks, add a little bit more beef stock, keep kind of working it. Go on and turn your burner on. We're going to get this to a boil as well, but you want to turn it into a paste. Because what it's going to do at the end is give you the little tiny bits of ground beef. Yes, so we got our paste, and we're going to bring that to a boil. There's our power boil of the beef chunks. Now let's get these poblano peppers in the oven. Just rub them down in some oil. Go in at 425 for about 20 minutes. Look, we're boiling. Yes, they're both boiling. Now I'm kind of going to take these lids off and let them start to reduce down. You're not going to reduce over here with the ground beef because it's a lot of grease. All right, take your poblano peppers out. Usually I put these in a Ziploc bag, but I didn't have one. So put them in a container that shuts off the oxygen. Yes, I'm adding tomato paste to the big beef chunks. It's not tomato paste, I mean ketchup. Ketchup is the secret. You don't have to buy tomato paste. Ketchup does the same thing. But you can see we're starting to reduce down, and I wanted to show you right here because I forgot to film this part, but that's how easy the skin comes off of these peppers when you put them in the Ziploc bag. So we're going to dice these up, and now we're going to add this to our boil, the big chunk boil. And you can see it's starting to reduce down. Like I said, I've been boiling that with no lid on for about 45 minutes now. And now we're going to check our meat, and you can see it's falling apart. All right, now so we're going to add our beans. We're going to stir these in, give it another 5-10 minutes or so. We're to that perfect consistency now. So now we're going to go in and add our ground beef. Look at how it's all nice little fine little pieces. We're going to add that all in. Now I know what you're thinking. Look at all that grease. Well, I'm taking this to a party. So the next day I take it out. I scrape the grease off the top. Look, I had literally an entire bowl full of grease. We got rid of all that. We took it to the party, and then I'll let you enjoy from here.
Or a banana around here. Yeah. I've been thinking about this here, dang good chili.
What do y'all think about that chili?
Good stuff. You sharing that recipe online?
I am.
All right.
Do you want me to type it or do you want to type it?
Fantastic chili.
Hey man, a little too much grease. No, I'm just